grew up here, so I really wanted to come home after living away. I like the idea of having land and a yard for the kids to run around in. My husband grew up a little bit differently. He grew up in the city and he said he'd like to have a backyard with the kids to run in too, so that's why we live here. Zinnia is really happy. She's our happy little flower.
Declan is very art-oriented, nature. Hudson is more active, sports, karate. Very different.
Couldn't be more different. To me, healthy eating is real food, balanced, and a colorful plate. That's how I teach the kids healthy eating.
I try to do the shopping. We don't really bring them with us. I go in, I go out, I get what's on the list pretty much, and that's it.
I can't do it like that because I get distracted by this or this, and so that's why this partnership works out. So we're Laotian, and they're half Laotian, and I think it's important to understand where we came from, originally. And my mother always taught them that.
You want to sing?
It's a short song, but it means a lot.
My mother has always cooked with them. Food is so much ingrained in Laotian culture.
Every time I cook something, they're always like, "What are you doing, Grandma?" So I show to them, and this is our culture, this is our food. And to have my culture alive, it's very important to me, and I try to teach them. So singing the song, in our language, so we do that too.
It's helpful to have her around all the time, always access to her. They want to be a part of the action as well, and they love cooking with her. They want to help her. They just love her, so that's what time that they do with her, and they'll remember that growing up.
All right, guys, get ready to eat.
They love eating, and they love trying new things, so to have and keep reintroducing new foods from my mother is great. I read once that if kids play with their food or understand where it's coming from, they're more apt to try and eat it. So I think that, the growing, the helping us cook, it really ties into them eating it as well.
Last summer was the first time we had a garden. That was totally at Declan's request, we did the garden. And it turned out phenomenal.
What colors are we eating? Orange.
Green, white.
Declan went to school and they taught him to eat his colors, and we started at home, and then we just continued it because it was very helpful. Like, oh, what's green on your plate? We should try that green thing. We should try those orange things. It's a little bit crazier with us, with the newborn. We used to just eat together on the table. Now we just take turns, my husband and I.
All right, let's go outside.
I always try to get them outside, playing. I find it really important.
Declan always pays attention to what I'm eating because he says that whatever I eat, Zinnia eats too. If I had any tips to give to another pregnant or breastfeeding mother, I would definitely say keep a lot of snacks in your bag. It was really easy for me to grab apples while I was driving in the car if I was starving, and always tons of water. Planning ahead is key, just to have an idea, even if it's not exact, just to have an idea. I know life is crazy and it's hard, but that makes things a little easier. We're Lilac and PJ.
And these are our family's healthy eating solutions.